was a quiet girl. She loved music. She loved to sing in her room. But she never sang in front of people. One day, her teacher told the class about the school talent show. "We will have a talent show next month," the teacher said. "If you want to sing, dance, or do anything special, sign up." Emma wanted to sing. She had never sung on a stage before. But she wanted to try. So, Emma signed up. She chose her favorite song. It was slow and beautiful. The next day, she started to practice. Emma had been practicing the song every day after school. She sang in her room. She sang in the kitchen. She even sang in the bathroom. She had been practicing for many weeks. Her mother heard her singing and said, "Emma, you sound very good." Emma smiled. But she still felt nervous. What if she forgot the words? What if the other students laughed? Her best friend Lily said, "Don't worry. You've been practicing so much. You will do great." Emma had been singing the same song again and again. She listened to the music. She read the lyrics. She looked in the mirror and smiled while she sang. Finally, the day of the talent show came. Emma wore a pretty blue dress. She stood behind the curtain. She waited. Her heart was beating fast. She thought, "I have been practicing for so long. I can do this." The teacher called her name. Next is Emma, singing her favorite song. Emma walked on the stage. Many people were watching. Her hands were cold. Her voice was shaking. But when the music started, she began to sing. Her voice was soft but clear. She looked at the audience and smiled. She sang the whole song without stopping. She didn't forget any words. The students clapped. The teachers smiled. Emma was happy. She felt proud. She had been practicing for weeks, and now it was finished. After the show, many people said, "Great job, Emma." Her mother gave her a hug and said, "I'm so proud of you." Lily said, "See? I told you. You were amazing." Emma smiled. She said, "Thank you. I was so nervous. But I'm glad I did it." The past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous tense describes an action that was ongoing in the past, up to a specific point or event in the past. Structure: subject plus had been plus the ing form of the verb. Example: Emma had been practicing for weeks. Exercises. 1. Fill in the verbs in the correct form. Past perfect continuous. Answers. Two. Complete the sentences. Answers. End of lesson. Today we learned the past perfect continuous tense, which is used to show that an action continued in the past until another past event. We read the story of Emma, who practiced for a long time before she sang on stage. This is a good example of how to say, "We had been doing something for a while before something else happened." Don't forget, had been plus verbing. I had been singing, she had been working, We had been waiting. See you in the next lesson. Thank you and goodbye.